Well, I'm out hunting gold again today. What a surprise, huh? And on a private claim. So, really can't show you around as much as I would normally. But I just dug this thing from almost 2 feet deep, maybe a little deeper. When I saw that gold top, I thought I had something. Oh my God. Yeah. Digging trash, man, I'll tell you what. But this area is real trashy. I like that when I'm in a new spot. That means it's not been hit very hard, or not as hard as it should be. And I'll stick with you today and let you see a few of my digs. We're hoping to get a little bit of gold. I'm up here with a couple friends. And yeah, it's just a beautiful day. Beautiful day. Well, I hope to tell you, a lot of trash in a wash that hasn't been hammered. So I don't know what I got down in here. I've been chipping bedrock. Sounds like it's still down in that crack. We're going to try to get it busted out. Oh, sorry about all the movement there. I'm trying to find a place to put the camera and the detector. I'm not sure what we got here, but it'll be interesting nonetheless. There we go. That's hard bedrock right there. I'm having trouble digging it up. That machine's a little noisy because of the camera. Okay. Having trouble busting this up. There's something down in there. Just what? I don't know. Okay. Let's see if we can still hear it. I'm close to it now. Yes, I am. Break some more bedrock out of here. Look at the iron in this material. Okay, let's see if we moved that time. Yes, we did. Okay, I gotta move the camera. Way back here. Oh, sorry. This is the real deal here. There's no place to put the camera, no place to do anything. It's still down in there. Looks like I can get some more of that out of there. It's down in there somewhere. How this stuff gets so far down in these cracks, I'll never know. But it does. Whether it's trash or gold, there's something in there. I think we might have moved it. That's what I think. Down deeper. All right, there it is. This piece of iron was way down there in the bedrock. What a heartbreaker. This was laying down on the bedrock in this hole. You're hearing the camera. Listen to this thing. And it's too light to be melted aluminum. Too hard to be lead. Not sure what I got here. Some sort of metal, obviously. But it's all almost looks natural. Not sure what it is. Further testing needed. This way down that hole in the bedrock, right where a nugget should be. Even if it's a silver nugget, maybe. Don't know. Oh, these are kind of cool. It's called Devil's Claw. It's a seed pod. There's a bunch of them right here. Let's see them on the ground there. Oh, that's cool stuff, but I got a target right in here. Real screamer. So we're going to set up the camera and dig it up. Likely trash, but hey, you never know till you get your eyes on it. You never know. I'm up on a bench. Back here, behind this rock, so you never know. Could be gold, could be iron, or the aluminum that I dig so much of here. Oh, that one that almost looks like a silver nugget got me intrigued. I'm not sure what that's going to end up being. We're on bedrock down here. Yep. This is all bedrock up in here. So. Whatever it is, down here on the bedrock. And it's a piece of aluminum. Now see, that doesn't look anything like that other thing I found. That's down pretty darn deep. Just a chunk of aluminum. Well, I got a target right here. Right in the bedrock. And bleeding pretty good right there. Darn cacti and bushes, and I tell you, you have to get cut up a little bit. You got to bleed to get gold sometimes. But anyway, we're going to hope this is a piece of gold. Let's see. Okay. See what we got here. This is all bedrock up here. So our target's down on the bedrock in here. But metal is heavier than water. When this stuff's moving around, nails get in there and gold and you name it. It gets in there. Right here. Sure would like this one to be a nice big juicy gold nugget. It'd sure make my day. Mother Nature's taking a bit of blood from me. Hopefully it's some trade for a nice nugget. right up against this bedrock somewhere. It goes down quite a ways, doesn't it? Tree roots down in there, and you name it. It's still down in that darn hole. No. Thought I saw a pop top can lid. We find a lot of those in this wash. I think the locals party out here sometimes, maybe. I don't know. Awful lot of beer cans. It's following that crack. It's caught in this crack somewhere. Ay, ay, ay. Someone's close to me with a detector, I can hear it. It's messing me up. That would be one of the other fellers. Yeah, I'm down to the very gut of this thing almost. I think my target's still in there. Yes, it is. Whew. But where? I can't go down very much more. So, whew, down in there, pretty good. I'm close to it. Getting louder. Maybe we'll do a little heavy excavation here. See, we can't move. It's out of the crack. All right. I tell you, it's some hard work here, fellers. Front row bag to keep my camera in. Those things are sure handy. Stuff that comes in them's sure good after a day like today. Jeez. Something down in here though. Okay, I'm going to turn this back on after I dig a bit more. Well, there it is. Oh my. That's a lot of digging. But, you know, as I said, this wash hasn't been worked with a detector much. So all that stuff, we check the hole again. All that stuff is down in these holes. And we got to dig it to get to the gold. Jeez. I'm getting pretty tired digging these deep holes. All right, we're done for the day, and I'm pooped. And I didn't even get a nugget, but one of the guys with me did. Look at that. About a half grammer. Maybe a little better. Huh? Yep. Nice spot. Well, that's it, my friends. I'm back at the trailer park, and it was a long drive. We took the buggy in today, so it's a lot easier to get back into where we hunt. And we're hanging out back at the trailer court. There's Tammy peeking out the door. And Bruno, the wonder dog. And I'm going to call a nugget shooter out for now. One nugget today. I wish it would have been mine. I take a lot of trash, so that's what you get part of the time. I keep it real, people. I keep it real. Like, subscribe, ring the bell. Nugget shooter out. And thank you to all my patrons from my Patreon page. Without you guys, I couldn't do this. Bye.